Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to answer a question that I've been asked by a few users. According, a lot of you will, of course, eventually buy a smartphone or maybe upgrade your smartphone that you have right now, and there are two things to consider. But the question that I get asked regularly is there a something that makes me want to buy one over the other between an iPhone or a Android powered phone when I'm using a Windows 10 PC? Is there something that would actually make me decide one over the other? And yes, there is. First, just to say, if you're a big fan of iPhones, buy an iPhone. It's okay. And I mean, you have some functionalities that work. There's a few apps that you can get from Microsoft in the App Store. But if you want to have really the full set of features, and more features are implemented in Windows 10 that interact with phones, get yourself an Android phone. For a very simple reason is that the Apple iPhone, it's a great phone, but the thing is the operating system is closed down. So every app that Microsoft does is very limited in the features that it can actually offer. Now on Android being more like Windows of smartphones, it's an open operating system, you have access to a lot more stuff. And one of the examples that I would use is your phone app, which is really amazing because your phone app is actually much more interesting on Android than it would be on Apple's iPhones. It has more interaction, and as time goes by, and as we see with the future versions of Windows, is that you even have screen mirroring. You have the ability to interact with text messages. I already do that, answer back with Windows 10 from time to time in text messaging. You have, of course, much more control. It's easy to, with your phone app and the Microsoft Launcher and Cortana and all of that, to have tons of interaction with your Android phone. So if you would have, want to buy a new phone and you're not sure and you want to have something that might actually interact better with Windows 10, well, an Android phone would be the way to go. But like I said, if you're a big fan of iPhones, it's okay also. It's just that the functionalities are not as good and will never work as well as on Android. But it's because of the basic design of iPhones, where the operating system is actually closed down. So if you want to buy something and you don't know and you want to have maximum interaction with Windows, well, an Android phone is the way to go. If you have like our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.